Welcome back to the Afia Morning Show. Thank you for staying tuned and just joining us. Good morning from the east side. My name is Natalie Uku. Of course, I'm still here with Oji Wachuku. Oji, good morning again.
Good morning, Natalie.
Welcome, sir.
I did some math now.
Okay.
Math.
Why did you have to stretch your tongue out like that when you said math?
Why are you looking at my tongue?
No, everybody saw it. The world saw it. Math.
The world.
Math.
Well, Peter.
Namdi, what's your take on this exchange?
He'd rather not involve himself.
I choose not to participate in the eating of soup when I have not been designated swallow.
You know what that remark is? What that's called? When they say tongues are wagging.
Tongues are wagging.
Tongues are wagging. So, speaking of wagging tongues, now we have fresh information that has set tongues wagging in Nsukka. Enugu State Governor Dr. Peter Mbah is set to deliver the convocation lecture at the 55th Convocation ceremony of the University of Nigeria Nsukka today. The lecture, titled Restoring the Dignity of Man, Enugu's Quantum Leap in Human Development and Inclusive Prosperity through Experiential Learning, will focus on the state's human capital development strategy and its drive to promote inclusive economic growth through practical skills-based education. Now, Governor Mbah is expected to highlight his administration's investments in education, innovation, entrepreneurship, and experiential learning as key pillars for building a globally competitive workforce and restoring human dignity through opportunity and productivity. The annual convocation lecture is one of the highlights of the university's convocation activities, bringing together members of the academic community, government officials, students, alumni, and other stakeholders. At a press briefing earlier, Vice-Chancellor of the University of Nigeria Nsukka, Professor Simon Ortuanya, said that 10,641 graduands would receive first degrees and diplomas, including the 168 first-class graduates, while 2,944 students would be awarded higher degrees. According to him, the higher degrees comprise 1,390 doctoral degrees, 1,340 master's degrees, and 214 postgraduate diplomas. Now, Afia TV would be live streaming this convocation lecture at 11 a.m. this morning. Well, a.m. this morning. And of course, you can watch that live to hear what the governor has to say to the fresh graduates.